No. No. He is attacking. Why is there a carrot fruit snack? This is not okay. Carrots are not fruit. What is not sticking here? Good morning. So today we are going to be jacketing another new site, flipping our site from yesterday and possibly flipping our new jacket today as well. It's just going to depend on how quickly the plaster sets up. And because today is June 1st, the first day of Pride, I would like to dedicate this video to a very particular type of paleo enthusiast who likes to imagine they own the concept of who can be a paleontologist and throws a fit when there's a gay person in a Jurassic Park movie or someone depicts Tyrannosaurus as being like a little fruity. So just in case this isn't clear, queer people have always been and always will be scientists, and queer people in both professional and volunteer capacities have contributed more to our understanding of prehistory than your flop armchair ass ever will. So let's go get to work. So here's the jacket that we made yesterday. For sake of convenience, I'm going to start referring to this site as Bam Bam because that's the nickname that the field crew chose. I thought it was in reference to the fact that this bone is probably from the butt end of an animal. Apparently they chose it because it resembles the club that the Flintstones character Bam Bam uses, so whatever. But basically, this is now set up overnight, and you can hear just how tough it is. So that means that we set the plaster right. The penguin is still here as well. So we're gonna be undercutting this and taking this out today. So
where am I?
So just stand right there, and then as we push this up, just get your hands on this underside of the rock, because pieces will probably fall out.
Okay.
All right. Ready? Mm-hmm. 3, 2, 1. All right. Pause. Do you have the handhold?
Yeah.
Okay. Ready?
Look at this side.
3, 2, 1. Beautiful.
Nice.
The underside here has been cleared off. I've brushed all the loose dirt and removed big chunks of rock that don't have anything in it just to lighten the load. Because now we have to carry this thing out of the desert to the cars, and it's not going to be an easy task. And the last thing we're going to do is pour some glue, really thin 8-to-1 Butte Far mixture on the top just to hold the rest of this together. And then once this goes to the lab, they will start from the top and clean it all the way down to the bone, which is currently sitting on the floor. Start filming now? Whenever someone wants to take a break, just let us know. Don't be a hero. Walking with a fossil, and it fell down and we all died. As soon as this video clip ended, oh! Jacket number 1, Bam Bam,
Bam, bam.
safely secured.
Bam, 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 bam.
Student number 2. So this is our second site we're working on today, nicknamed Pebbles, because it's probably a turtle shell, I think, that's in a lot of little pebbly pieces. So we're gonna go ahead and jacket this too. And if it dries up before the end of the day, we're gonna try to take this out. So here's Pebbles. It has been fully jacketed and trenched. We were getting ready to flip it. This one's gonna go a little bit differently though, because it's a little bit thinner on this side. So we're actually going to undercut, hold it on the underside, and then push it this way. So as I said, every site goes a little bit differently. And hopefully, we're gonna get this one out today. So you can see we put screwdrivers down there to really help separate the block from the rock. It looks like some kind of bizarre paleo acupuncture, but it is actually genuinely very helpful.
So you want to help me?
Pebbles is on the gurney. Taking bone number 2. Any choice words for me, Dad?
I am impressed. That's all I'm gonna say.
He's been swearing at me all afternoon, and now he's gonna be nice because he's on camera. Okay, I get it.
I'm very impressed.
Dude. All right, Bam Bam and Pebbles in the truck. We did it.
We did it!
Woo!
This can definitely in situ.
That's a Dino Cola. Good job today, everybody. Everyone's a little messed up after a day in the field.
I'm playing with the cat. Did field work.
He did. I just didn't get it on camera. He was there the whole time, I swear.